and what you're going to learn in the Crack the Code, and what you will learn in the Black Swan Relationship Academy, whether it's high value strategies course, whatever course I do, what you're gonna learn is gonna be something totally counterintuitive. Because men, yes, they want safety too, but it is not a priority. Men want freedom, they want adventure, they want mystery, they want conquest, they want those kind of things, right? And when we try to make them comfortable, we take all that away. We take the freedom away. We take the conquest away. We take the hunt away from them. You know, my ex-husband used to say, geez, woman, we've been married for 12 years and I feel like I'm chasing you, right? Or however many years. It get him so annoyed. But he was obsessed with me. You know, he was obsessed with me. And that's because we have to keep parts of ourselves intact. This is such an important course, and this is such an important lesson. If you want to be a wife one day, if you want to be like Crystal, if you want to be like all the other swans that are getting married this year, it's not enough to just know how to get a guy. You need to learn how to keep him. You need to learn how to keep him interested whilst keeping yourself. And here's the beautiful thing. To keep a man, you have to keep yourself. To keep a man, you have to honor yourself. To keep a man, you have to respect yourself. A lot of us think it's otherwise. We think to keep a man, I have to do what he wants. I have to please him. I have to give him. I have to serve him. I have to surrender to him. I have to. That is not to say we do not serve. It doesn't mean that we don't love a man. But men need love in a different way. They need to be nurtured in a different way. They want affirmation. They want validation. They want to be told they're king and ruler of all they survey. You know, they want to be lifted up. They want to be respected. That's love for them. They don't want to be mollycoddled and spoiled and bought things and taken care of. Mom did that. They don't need mommy. Mommying men is the number one reason you won't get the ring, okay? Every man wants something different. Every man will be nuanced, but I'm talking about the basic. And so you need to go through an educational process, crack the commitment code, get the ring. That phase is a phase I see so many women fall down at. So many women will raise attraction because they're beautiful, they're smart, they're intelligent, they're lovely, they're effervescent. And the moment they get into that exclusive relationship where he's like, I just want us to be exclusive, pop goes the weasel. All of the stuff comes out, and all of a sudden now we're dealing with how come he doesn't want to marry me. You know, he's pulling away. He's trying to wriggle out of this relationship. And we don't realize that often is the dynamic that has shifted in us. Oh, what happens when a man says, you know, we always say, when a man says he wants to be exclusive, why does he change and become annoying? Why does he just change and all of a sudden starts taking you for granted? Well, it doesn't change. You change. Your energy changes. You feel like, oh, got him. And a lot of what I'm teaching in the Get the Ring, if you're a married woman, you should be doing that as well, right? But in the Get the Ring, I break everything down in minutiae. You know how I am. You know how I am. If you've done any of my courses, you know how I am. I will break down every single thing I have to say to minutiae so you understand exactly what is required. I'm not going to do that tonight. We're not going to be here all night doing that. But I am giving you some tips for those of you who won't be able to get the course, and because I'm not doing a free masterclass this month. Then we have low value behavior. Low value behavior usually comes from this entitled safety, comfort behavior. Okay. We start to give ourselves away freely and cheaply. We stop requiring effort and investment. And in fact, we turn the tables and we become the investor and we become the one making the effort. And we want, again, all tied in together. The moment you were high value, showing up as high value, high status, and high worth, and now you're in a relationship and you're not doing so much, and you've turned the tables around because we get really insecure. We want commitment so badly. We I don't know. We've got this commitment. Like, I need commitment. I need commitment. You know, we've got this thing in our head that kicks in when the man wants to be exclusive, that we start to lose our high value behavior. We stop approaching things and getting to things in a high value way. Again, this course is going to help you. It's going to be step by step by step what to expect in every season, in every stage of the relationship. You know, through all of the relationship stages, from the honeymoon stage, the power struggle stage, what should you do, right? So you have your little handbook, you have your little, you know, you have this, you know, kind of body of work that you can really know what to do in every stage of your relationship. Okay.